forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good Thursday morning, everyone. A cloudy start to the day. More snow flurries in spots, but you see on the radar here not showing much. Those flurries are often way too light for the radar to be able to find. So you may see an occasional flurry here or there, but for the most part, nothing more than that during the daytime hours. That is, we're looking at some light fog still hanging on here in town, also up into Paris and down in Richmond. You kind of see that haze even down in Somerset, but it's not to the degree that the visibility is so low that that's impacting your morning commute, which is good news. But it is definitely cold. You need your heavier jacket, the gloves, the hats, all of it. Upper 20s and low 30s. So warmer south, colder off to the north, but winds are going to be turning more out of the north behind this weak boundary that is slowly pushing south. And that's where it's at right now, the secondary front. And if you connect the dots, the front would go back all the way here into parts of the Ozarks of Missouri and Arkansas. That front keeps pushing south through the day and winds return out of the north behind it. As we go through the day, you'll see the thermometer not going to be able to climb much because of the winds that are out of the north, but also because of the amount of cloud cover that we'll have. Likely looking at highs into the low 30s if we're even able to get there here across the bluegrass and northern parts of the state. To the south, where we already have some areas that are into the low 30s, we could sneak up to the mid 30s. But watch as we go into the evening, moisture starts to break out in the form of some snow. It may initially start off down here as a little rain snow mix, as temperatures at the beginning of it could be around 33, 34, maybe even 35. But what falls predominantly southbound tonight into early tomorrow morning is going to be some snow, light to moderate snow down here. And by the time we wake up early tomorrow morning, when you're flipping us on for the morning news, most of the snow should be exiting the state. And then we're going to be looking at just a cold morning. Tomorrow afternoon, we have a shot to get a little warmer, maybe running our way up into the middle 30s. It just depends on if we can get any late day sunshine. So how much snow could we see? Well, there's going to be a very sharp cutoff to the northern extent of this, where we go from maybe flurries to a little bit of snow. So that extends from near Louisa to about Richmond down to around, let's say, Liberty and into Stanford. That area trace to maybe as much as of an inch. The farther southeast you go, the higher the totals will be. The best chance to maybe go over an inch to 2 inches in this blue zone from Pikeville to Hazard down to about Williamsburg and Point southeast. Highest elevations may exceed 2 inches, but again, not everybody going to get that. That's why it's a lower end chance. And the farther north you go, some flurries. Low to mid 30s today, flurries mostly cloudy, cold. North winds around 5 to 10. Tonight, there's that chance of snow mainly south. It could come as far north as, let's say, I-64 with at least some flurries, but most of the substantial, or I should say substantial, the most of the measurable snow is actually going to be down across the southern half of the state. We work our way into Sunday and Monday, another rain snow chance to track, and we'll keep an eye on that. 7-day forecast, you'll notice here tomorrow, still cold, waking up to maybe still some morning snow far south-southeast. We're in the 30s for highs, near 40 on Saturday, and there's that next rain snow chance Sunday that likely ends as snow Sunday night into Monday morning.